We are at Hall 9, where one of the biggest stall at Hall 9 is of Beckhoff. And it was very lucky for me when I just came to visit. We are having Mr. Jitendrakumar Kataria, who is the Managing Director of Beckhoff in India. Amazing Beckhoff having in Hannover.
Thank you.
How do you feel this about, the stall, the way it is presented?
I think I'm with Beckhoff for like almost last 20 years. I have seen it grow from like a 100 million euro company to now almost like 1.5 billion euro company. The growth has been fantastic, but I would say there are a lot of factors which has resulted in this growth. One is like Beckhoff is known for like being a kind of a innovative company where you can see like, okay, if you come to this Beckhoff booth, you'll see a lot of innovations and like revolutions and also evolutions which have happened with our products. A lot of new developments, and this is the key for our growth, and that's where you see like one of the biggest booth here, which is available at in this Hall 9. We have now this 20 years of EtherCAD technology. I think this is one of the, like when I joined Beckhoff in 2003, that's when EtherCAD was also born at Beckhoff. And this EtherCAD technology has grown to like 20 years now, and it is still like one of the best and the fastest field bus available in the market today.
So that's what I was going to tell when you told that you joined before 20 years. And here, even in Hannover, that 20 years of EtherCAD is celebrating, and that's an amazing thing.
Yes.
And your new innovation at RO, that is automation through robotics. So that also I think I've nominated for the Hermes Award, right?
Yes, automation technology for robotics is one of the new developments at Beckhoff, where we are entering the robotics arena, I would say. However, I think the robots, what we are doing is like these are like modular robots. So these are not like pre-assembled robots. These are like blocks which you can assemble on your own based on your requirement and build your own robo. So it can be from a single axis to like a 7-axis robo as per your requirement. And certainly this will change the way the robotics has been done in this world. Yeah. And also there is another innovation which is happening in the cabinet building area, I would say, where we are getting now cabinetless design, where the old cabinets will be replaced, or rather we are showcasing the products which can make a change in the cabinet building, where we have this MX system where we don't need any cabinet in future. So this is certainly a disruptive innovation which will change a lot of things at Beckhoff for the automation area also.
And I think automation itself is changing globally. Acceptance of automation in India is also changing.
Yes.
So how do you see that? And when I come here at Beckhoff booth, it is nothing less than a celebration. It is nothing less than a festival. I think right now also more than 2,000-3,000 people are here. So how do you feel this kind of vibrance which can bring more into the Indian manufacturing? How more and more Indian manufacturing can come and adopt automation, and how Beckhoff can play a major role there?
I think Beckhoff India is present in India since like last 16 years. And we are like 77 people at Beckhoff India, young colleagues out there, and they are involved day in day out to like all the revolution or all the product development what we do at Beckhoff in headquarters. We take the knowledge out of this and then see like how this can be adapted for the Indian customers. And certainly we also have like some VIP plus guests who are visiting us here, and they have also got this opportunity to talk to our experts out here, the product managers out here, and get to know like how they can use these products for their own use, for their own applications. And certainly this will help them to adapt their solutions with our technology and make the world-class automation for their equipments.
I think it is a great step Beckhoff did by bringing all those your customers to look at Beckhoff, look at Germany, look at Europe, and all those manufacturing. I think it will definitely give a great perception. I think those kind of awareness will help in India adopting more automation.
Certainly, I think it's not only about automation but also to know the Beckhoff culture. Like we are known for the best automation and the innovative automation, but we are also known for the best parties. So tonight we have a well-known Beckhoff party which is happening on every Tuesday of the Hannover Messe. So I think you all are invited, and it is also like it's a celebration of what we do at Beckhoff.
Thank you very much for your time, and I wish you all the very best. I think seeing all these things, the kind of work you people will be having in India is enormous, and I'm sure Indian manufacturing will get benefit out of it. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.